Hi, my name's David Snip from Stardraw.com. I'd like to talk to you today about Stardraw Design 7, our award-winning design and documentation presentation software. It comes with hundreds of thousands of products from thousands of manufacturers. We can do engineering drawings, so we can show every symbol has the right number of inputs and outputs. We can do cable labels, cable scheduling. We can even do high-quality rack layouts, so you can look at the front view, the rear view, and the side view of the rack as well. We're fully compatible with AutoCAD because we're an Autodesk trusted partner, which means we can open up a DWG file, edit it, and save it back out as a trusted DWG file. We can even do custom panel design. And with our latest version, Stardraw Design 7.4, it even comes with a really powerful report designer, so you can create your own quotes, your own reports, your own cable schedule. And it's fantastic performance as well. We've now got native ARM64 support and even a cables view, so you can have an overview of all the cables in your drawing, in your project, and edit those, and it updates the drawing automatically. So come to Hall 5, booth D790 to come for a demo, or go to our website, www.stardraw.com. Thank you.